Hey all, it's Adam from Metro Hobbies, and I'm really excited today. We have a awesome high grade to review. That is the high grade Moon Gundam. Really cool kit. So this kit was released in, you know, there's an eclipse of the moon today, right? That's pretty epic. All right, you know what? This one's all yours, man. Bye-bye. I'm jealous. So yes, the new MG Gundam Eclipse is here from Mobile Suit Seed Gundam Variation, MSV, very important to remember that. This does appear in a manga series, really quite cool. So let's get started by checking out the box here. So as you can see, really cool artwork on the front there, very reminiscent of something like the opening of Gundam Seed with the, you know, striking a pose in space, very classic Gundam sort of stuff. But what we're interested in is what's inside the box. So, open up. Start off with the manual. Again, splash artwork on the front, really cool. On the back, how it's going to end up. Going through very standardized sort of instructions. Nothing particularly amazing. But you'll notice the kit does have a lot of jagged points and some pretty cool gimmicks worked into it throughout the frame. Got a bit of info there on the actual mobile suit itself, where it's from, its pilot, weaponry, and a painting guide if you so wish to do a bit of painting on it. Base there, so we'll get into that afterwards, and the transformation gimmick, which is really quite cool. Transforms into a mobile armor mode. And straightforward, something you don't need a degree in mechanical engineering to work out. So that's pretty cool. In the actual box, inner frame, very standard. Inner frame with armor over the top, lots of detail on that armor, and actually a surprising amount of detail on the inner frame as well. So good for panel lining. No more. It's pretty much a double up of that. And again, armor and inner frame. Standard, you've built master grade before, you've seen that. Now, this is really cool. Comes with a base. Now the base has an adapter to attach to it so you can have it in posing in its mobile armor mode or just in a pose. So really cool that Bandai included that. You don't have to go out and buy an action base one or anything like that. You've got the sticker style decals there, sort of that Kotoki sort of style, all those warning symbols. Got the Eclipse symbols there, really cool. Really spruce up your kit. Again, more for the action base there. Adapter if you want to adapt it to other bases to have it, you know, in poses of fighting other mobile suits. You've got this blue armor pieces there. It's very reminiscent of the 00 sort of royal blue. Really quite cool to see that sort of color back in a kit. Really highlights well and contrasts against that white. And more of that blue strewn throughout. Really cool. And on the back there, again, more sort of 00 style beam effects there. So you've got the beam effects for the actual shield and the beam saber itself. So really quite cool. I don't know if it has a glow effect to it, but something I'll have to check out in the review that I'm eventually going to do for it. And highlights of yellow V-fin. You've got the red for more highlights all throughout the chest piece and the like. Really quite cool. So that's a bit of a breakdown of it there, guys. I'm very excited about this one. I can't wait to put it together and show you guys how it turns out. And hopefully, if you've been lucky enough to snag one of these kits for yourself, you'll enjoy it as much as I know I will. So don't forget to like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, guys. And we will see you in the next video when I get to review this thing. Take it easy. We'll catch you around.